You're watching Banks. Another vibe, another reaction. Let's get right straight into it.
Another vibe, another reaction. Shoday and Maff. Again, they've been on my podcast, so if you care to know anyway, go check out Banks' podcast. I've spoken to Shoday before, Maff before. These are two talented, young, dope artists. And again, we know this, man. This is PURR. You already know the vibe, man, from the whole what's it called, kind of meme on TikTok, and it's just picked up, and that's how talented and creative Shoday is. Him and Maff have come and they've used a trending topic into, turned it into a song. So that's dope, man. But let's go, you know what I mean, guys. This one is PURR, but it's actually PURR. So what am I saying? I'm just so used to saying Sokwe, but Shoday, Maff, let's go.
You're watching Banks. Another vibe, another reaction.
Tune into the king of songs and blues.
Ọmọ ọlọ́dún yẹra wò sọ pé pọ̀. Na you dey hurt my brother sọ pé pọ̀. Owó tán fi ra dé, ìwọ̀n fi ṣàjẹ́. Kásàmíkò mẹ́fà, gbé wọn travayé. Ọmọ ọlọ́dún yẹra wò sọ pé pọ̀. Na you dey hurt my sister sọ pé pọ̀. She wan take Lambo and she no wan follow go. Ó súnmọ́ gbẹ̀wìrì, ajé ó súnmọ́ bàrà o. Chidinma she like it Burna Boy on the low. I'm on now with $10 Ilé ayé la pola, ilé ayé la pola. Consistency. Omo she no do makeup, she just dey wake up. Ó sọ pé pọ̀, mo sọ pé pọ̀. Ọmọ dọ́là pọ̀, ṣẹ̀dá náà pọ̀. Silicon, ọmọ tó lọ ṣe ìdíwọ̀n gbélégbò. Billion for the billion names in a kíní kan. Ọmọ ọlọ́dún yẹra wò sọ pé pọ̀.
Let's go.
Na you dey hurt my brother sọ pé pọ̀. Owó tán fi ra dé, ìwọ̀n fi ṣàjẹ́. Kásàmíkò mẹ́fà, gbé wọn travayé. Ọmọ ọlọ́dún yẹra wò sọ pé pọ̀. Na you dey hurt my sister sọ pé pọ̀. She wan take Lambo and she no wan follow go. Ó súnmọ́ gbẹ̀wìrì, ajé ó súnmọ́ bàrà o. Àtàhíyátùlílà. Ọmọ kò lè ra díẹ̀dì, owó ló máa kó dọ́dọ̀ kó là ń kó. Torí owó ni mo ṣe búga, ó gẹ́yọ̀ kò tó abọ́ ti pa. Wọ́n ní Shoday tí ń lọ fàfà, ẹ̀kọ́ lọ́run tó bí àlà àgbà. Zera, lọ́mí fún Zera. No be paper, wọ́n lọ sí di ṣẹ́dá. Wey ṣẹlá, small me no dey dollar. Nothing dey sharp me o, na to dey make me money I know.
Let's go. I love the fact that this has come out from a creative session. This is creativity, man. Love it.
Water, fire!
Yeah, man. Let's go. Shout out to the brothers, man. Done really well. It's a good song. Like I said again, these are kind of songs that you hear and you just, if you're part of the, part of the pop culture, so you're obviously aware of things that go on online and stuff like that, this would totally make sense to you. And if it doesn't even make sense to you, you can hear if you understand Yoruba, it's Sokwe PURR, meaning that there's like some sort of jest, and it's a jokey type of song that, it's not something for you to be like, this one they didn't say this or they said this. It's just a joke type of song, which I love, and shows the playful side of both of them as well. Very creative, because I'm not gonna lie, there's so much things I've heard online and I don't think I can turn into a song. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to the brothers, and until next time, peace.
Fire!